Absolutely. Here's a scrambled style, natural sounding YouTube review script for the B-2 Jet Fighter Teyara 2025 without any headings. Wow, just look at this beast, the B-2 Jet Fighter Teyara 2025. This is not just a stealth aircraft, it's an engineering masterpiece. From the moment you lay eyes on it, that glossy, ultra-shiny grey finish immediately grabs your attention. It's futuristic, it's intimidating, and it's beautiful all at once. Now, let's talk about the design. The 2025 model brings in refined aerodynamics, upgraded stealth skin, and an optimized heat signature. It's almost like this jet was sculpted, not built. Every curve and edge is designed to cheat radar and cut through air like a blade. Step inside the dashboard alone feels like something out of a sci-fi movie. Fully digital, touch-sensitive controls, an AI-assisted interface, and an integrated heads-up display that overlays real-time mission data directly in the pilot's view. It's sleek, efficient, and incredibly intuitive. But what really sets this new B-2 apart is its next-gen propulsion system. We're talking about a quieter, more efficient engine that still packs an insane amount of thrust. It maintains high subsonic speeds, but with significantly reduced acoustic and infrared signatures. Stealth isn't just a feature, it's the core philosophy here. Now let's move on to avionics. The onboard system upgrades in 2025 are mind-blowing. It includes real-time battlefield networking, autonomous threat recognition, and smart countermeasure deployment. It's basically thinking with the pilot, not just following orders. And yeah, if you're wondering how it looks in person, we saw it showcased in an all-white luxury showroom. The lighting, the reflections on the jet's body, the minimalistic banner labeled B-2 behind it. It looked like an art piece, not a war machine. But make no mistake, this thing is deadly. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast, a defense analyst, or just someone who appreciates cutting-edge technology, the B-2 Teyara 2025 is a sight to behold. It's not just a fighter jet, it's a statement about where the future of air power is headed. Let me know if you'd like this script adapted for voiceover pacing, cinematic tone, or with visual cue annotations for editing.